Okay, I'm gonna let them in now. Okay, I think everybody's in. All right, colleagues, good afternoon, and thank you for joining us for our online session with Baron Peterson and Ron Fenter. Emirates Lions back home for the remainder of the URC campaign in home games at least. 4 home games remaining. This weekend is Benetton for round 15. Kickoff for that one is at 1:45. Guys have been training yesterday, today, tomorrow's an off day. Thursday, Friday will be captain's practice, and then match day on this Saturday. So that's just a bit of a snapshot of our week. I will kick off with questions. If we can please raise hands so we can get through this quite quickly. But if anybody's ready to go, please ask the first question. Anime?
Hi, thanks, Nyanisu. Hi, guys.
Hello.
So your position on the log is quite tricky at the moment. You basically need bonus points in your 4 home games up ahead. Are you confident that if you do that, you are still able to make the top 8? I think you had the same scenario last year and you ended up 9th.
Yeah, Anime, look, obviously, I think if in a perfect world, we wouldn't want to be where we are now. But I mean, I really think, and I think all the coaches, all the players, we really still believe that we can make it. And I think here and there, you probably hoping for 1 or 2 other results going your way as well. But I think last year at this time, I was on the media as well. And we can only take it game for game. If we get bonus points in every game, great. If we win all the games and we have to, that's not going to be ideal. Now we have to wait for other results. But in our minds, we can 100% still make it if we just do what we need to do.
And just the last one from me. It seems like you lacked consistency if you have to sum up your season. How do you rectify that? You're towards the end of the competition. Is it still something that can be rectified?
Definitely. I think again, going back to last season, that was one of the things that we spoke about, and I don't think we're definitely not consistent enough, and that is something that'll be a work on for us every week, because if we want to be in the top 8, if we want to play in Europe, we need to be much more consistent.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Anime. Can we take another question? Walter?
My vraag is vir Roan. Ek wil maar net weet uit 'n spelersoogpunt, Roan, hoe gemotiveerd is die spelers om nog steeds almal hulle beste te gee, dat almal in dieselfde rigting trek sodat julle hierdie laaste 4 wedstryde wen, en beginnende natuurlik by die een hierdie Saterdag teen 'n moeilike Benetton span?
Ja, ek dink definitief al die spelers is gemotiveerd, die motivering bly daar. Ons het dit vir onsself baie moeilik gemaak met die resultate wat ons gekry het op toer. Maar ek dink elke speler hierso weet ons moet 4 uit 4 wen en ons moet bonuspunte kry om 'n kans te staan. So ek dink daar's definitief motivation en ja, obviously ons voel nog ons kan daai doelwit bereik van die play-offs maak, so ons gaan nie sal nie opgee nie, ons sal aanhou werk.
En waarend uit is afrigter oogpunt ek neem aan julle gaan seker maar elke keer nou in hierdie laaste 4 wedstryde die sterkste kombinasie probeer kies.
Ja, definitief. Ek dink nie ons het al eintlik ooit in 'n game ingegaan waar dit nie die geval was nie. Ek dink elke keer kies ons 'n span wat ons voel vir daai week die regte span is. Maar 100% as al ons beserings niggles 100% reg is, dan sal ons definitief ons sterkste moontlike span kies.
Dink jy dis een van die dinge wat die nuus bietjie gekortwiek het, is dat daar miskien 'n klein bietjie van 'n gebrek aan diepte was toe daar nou 'n paar stedelbeserings was, toe was dit moeilik om iemand op dieselfde vlak in te bring in die squad?
Nee, ek dink eerlikwaar nie, dit was ooit 'n verskoning, of ek dink nie ons kon dit ooit as 'n verskoning gebruik nie. Al die ouens wat hier oefen is op 'n professionele level, ons oefen elke dag teen mekaar, ons doen dieselfde goeders, so ek dink eerlikwaar Walter, dit is nie een verskoning wat ons kon gebruik hierdie seisoen nie. Nee.
Okay, dan my laaste vraag, daar was maar 'n bietjie van 'n val in die standaard van die Leeuwse rugby. Daar was heelwat verlore nou in 'n ry gewees. Waaraan dink jy dan kan dit toegeskryf word? Want dis nou iets wat dis nie iets wat mense verwag aan die einde van die seisoen gebeur nie. Aan die einde van die seisoen wil jy eintlik elke wedstryd beter speel. En dit het nou ongelukkig bietjie anders te gegaan.
Nee, definitief. En ek dink dit kom terug na Annemie se punt van ons consistency hierdie seisoen. Ons is op die oomblik 'n span wat 3 great wedstryde speel en dan weer 2 swak wedstryde of andersom, jy weet. So dit is iets waaraan ons baie hard moet werk, en ek meen of ons nou verder gaan in die seisoen en of ons nie verder gaan nie, dit is iets wat ons volgende seisoen van die begin af moet hê. Ons moet daai consistency moet baie beter wees. Maar soos ek sê, ek kan nie vir jou hier sit en enige verskoning gebruik van spelers wat gespeel het wat nie moes gespeel het of so iets nie. Ons almal is op dieselfde level, en ek dink ons moet almal op dieselfde level kry as hulle nie daar is nie, en dit is deel van ons werk, ja.
Reg, dankie.
Walter, thank you very much. I don't see any hands. Can we maybe take another 2 or 3 questions before we close? Any takers? Sorrel?
Expect from Benetton.
I think the question there, what did we expect from Benetton? Ron, do you want to go for that one?
Sorry, please repeat, sir.
What do we expect from Benetton this weekend?
Yeah, so if Benetton is good this season, they played in the Champions Cup, they've been performing well, you'll see. We know they like to run the ball, so they're going to give us pictures which probably goes well with our style of play. So we could expect a lot of balling play this weekend. Yeah, it's going to be a fast tempo game, which suits them, but it also suits us at Ellis Park. So it's an exciting prospect, and looking forward to it.
Thanks, Ron. Thanks, Sorrel. Annemie, is that an existing hand or a new one?
No, it's a new one. If no one else wants to go, I'll have another go.
Go for it.
My question is for Ruan. Ruan, we all know that you are on the Springbok radar, and you've played a test, and obviously you want to play more. From a player's perspective, does it become difficult to keep on that radar when you're playing in a team that is struggling? And you can see certain players really work hard week in and week out, especially in match days, but it's difficult when the results aren't there. Is it something that a player worries about?
Yeah, listen, I can only speak for me personally, but For me, my full focus is on the Lions. I believe that if we are successful as a union, then other things will take care of themselves. So, to get to your question, I don't think that shouldn't be your thought process. If I'm here, I'm committed to being here. I'm fully focused on turning the season into a successful one and meeting our goals, and those other things will take care of themselves.
Thank you. Good luck for this weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anime. I think we can leave it here for now, colleagues. Sarel, that's an old hand, right? Or new? Old.
Yeah, it's an old one, but donkey.
Old hand. All right, no problem. All right, colleagues, thank you very much. Ruan, Coach Barnes, thank you for your time, and all the best for the weekend.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.